Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to transfer Phantom wallet to Coinbase. Firstly, go to the exchange like Binance or Coinbase in this case where you want to send the tokens. Find the deposit option and select it on Coinbase. Select the specific token and network you want to deposit into, like in this situation Solana. Be very careful when selecting both the token and the network, as sending tokens to an incorrect network can result in lost funds. After you copy the deposit address, click on the Phantom Wallet extension to open it. Click the Send button to initiate the transfer, select the token you wish, which is Solana, and pass the copied deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of tokens you wish to send, then ensure you have sufficient native tokens, like Solana, to cover the transaction fees. Once everything looks good, confirm the details and send the transaction. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.